Hi everybody. I wasn't gonna video today, but I said I'll take you along for the ride. Today I am making some fried codfish. Let me see if I can bring it down. Try to show you. I already washed them, so I'm getting ready to season them. Let me see if you can see. Hold 1 second. Get all my stuff here together. Got my oil going. We're gonna put a little bit of adobo, a little bit of garlic, some black pepper, and I'm gonna add a sazon to that. So I'm gonna get that now. Hold on. Show you what that is. So we're gonna add one of these also. Okay, so hold on, let me just season my fish. How's everybody doing today? On this gloomy Sunday, it's so cloudy over here. I think it was raining a little while ago, I don't know. It's so dark. It's early. It's gonna be that dark out. Josh is coming by, everybody.
Because it isn't actually the pain and inflicting that's the most frightening part. It isn't the fear of future pain.
So,
It's the knowledge. And even when the pain stops, even if they were to let you go,
codfish is the best. The best.
You know live?
No.
fear.
I'm asking me if I went live. I said, I'm gonna try the video today and see what happens.
Someone you barely recognize.
A lot of people didn't go on the live yesterday, so I'm trying to see what works the best.
To get out of this place.
No, I like the live because I can talk to you guys in real time. But like I told you guys, I'm just starting my YouTube journey, so I have to get used to all of this. Actually, if you saw my video yesterday, I'm just trying to find a new hobby because I am going to be retiring in July. So I'm trying to find a new hobby. Try to stay busy. You know, I worked mostly my whole life. I worked at my current job for 30 years. Before that, I worked at my other job for like 7 years. Before that, I was a teenager. And I had a lot of summer jobs and stuff like that. McDonald's, you regular. But it's time for me to retire, guys. I can't take it no more. I'm burnt out to the max. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, you can. You can. You can. Yes, you can, everybody. Yes, you can. I'd like to just make sure that it has seasoning on it. So that's where we go. Okay. So they all have this nice piece, everybody. Look at that piece of cod. Oh my God. Making it with french fries. I was gonna make me a baked potato, but I changed my mind because everybody wants french fries. That's what I'm gonna do. So that's that. My oil is hot. We're gonna fry them one at a time. Wash my hands. Let me wash my hands. Here goes my husband, everybody.
How many potatoes you need?
Say hi to everybody.
Hello, everybody. How many potatoes you need? There's one
No,
in the
I'm gonna
water.
do the frozen one.
Oh, the wedges?
Yeah, they're already cooked.
Oh, you do that one that was in the water, though. The pot, the potato.
It's over here. Gotta cut that one. Unless you want to save it.
No, cut it up.
Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, you should be able to see what I'm doing. So hold on. Just got my flour together. Piece of cod into the flour. I don't know if you can see the flour, but
there is always a life. There is always a future. As long as one is willing to make it for themselves.
I don't put it in egg or anything. The flour gets stuck right on it very nicely.
I can only scavenge leads generated by animal for so long. I have an appetite for
And
something
yeah,
else than that.
nice hot oil. Put it on number 4. And that's that. I'm just gonna make french fries with it. I'll show you guys how it looks in a bit. Guys, I'm gonna show you how the fish is going so far.
That's like February.
I'm just scared I'm gonna drop my camera, so I'm trying it. There you go. Should be able to see the fish. Cod is so good. I like to fry one at a time because they break so easily. Gotta be gentle. So they are delicious. They're very delicate. Cod is very delicate, right, Ben?
Yes, ma'am.
He knows. He knows about fish. He has worked many, many years in fish department.
Fish mongolo for more than 18 years.
Meat and seafood, many years. He's retired also. I'm getting ready to retire in July. So I'm trying to find a new hobby, guys. A new hobby. Keep myself busy.
And meet people.
And meet people.
Beautiful people of the world.
Yeah, but. So gentle. I'm scared to break them. I'm gonna give it a cheese. A little bit more on this side. So what I'm gonna do is take this one out and put the other one in. Hold on, guys. My husband wants to know. Guys, I'm trying to show you how. No, they can't see. Now they can. Now I'm flouring the next one to throw it in my hot oil. So you can. Hi guys, I'm frying my second piece of fish. Almost done. And then after I fry all the fish, I'm gonna do the French fries, and I'll show you that also. Okay. So I'm about to take out the second one. I'm getting ready to throw in another piece. It's good.
Alright, I'm gonna put these fries off you. You know what I mean?
Yep.
I'm gonna put this off you.
So this is my
Yeah,
third
10
piece,
minutes.
guys.
10,
Of
15
fish.
minutes.
Nice piece of cod. Hot oil. Yum. Oh, yummy, yum, yum. Keep washing my hands, so. Yep, but that's Sunday dinner. Fish and french fries. Something fast. So, that's that. I don't know if you can see it, but still frying my third piece of fish. I don't know if you can see it. They take a little while, they're delicate. Ready?
Not right yet. Almost.
My husband's doing french fries in the small fry pot that we have behind us.
Deep fry them.
You want to look? You can look.
Right there. Drop them in. 1 minute action. 2 minutes tops. Back to the cod.
Back to the cod, everybody. Still, now I'm frying my fourth piece of fish. Looking good, guys. You want to show them how you're doing the french fries?
You're good.
See if I can take you over to the french fries. Hold up. Sorry about all of that movement, guys. I'm going to flick you around so that you can see the french fries. Hold on.
Nice and golden brown.
I have one more piece to fry and then finish the french fries and then we're going to eat.